In 2011 Balli Riots case, investigation agency CBI has succeeded to arrest absconding accused Barkat Ali. As Barkat Ali was absconding, CBI has issued lookout notice and through Interpol a red corner notice was also issued. Acting upon the red corner notice, Saudi Arabia police had detained, but later through Interpol, Barkat Ali was handed over to CBI. Barkat Ali was brought to India and he was produced before Delhi court, and later on he was remanded to Goa. In Goa, he was produced before South Goa court, but trial in this case for the accused who were available before the court is concluded. There is no scope of further custodial interrogation, so he has been sent into jail in judicial custody. In 2022, trial court had acquitted remaining 13 accused in this matter, but as Barkat Ali did not face the trial, he has to face the trial afresh. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.